Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To write a systematic review guide, start by defining a clear research question. Outline your methods, detailing the criteria for selecting studies, databases, and search strategies. Develop a protocol that adheres to established reporting guidelines like PRISMA. Screen your studies rigorously, extracting key data and assessing the quality and risk of bias of included studies. Synthesize the data, possibly through meta-analysis, and interpret the findings in the context of the broader evidence. Always ensure transparency by documenting each step and providing rationales for decisions made during the review process.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.